On the topic of waste, I know that you're a big advocate for lean manufacturing, rooted in principles of Toyota Production System. Um, how does IoT technology, industrial IoT, fit in with some of the things you're talking about today? How does that fit into lean practices and encourage waste elimination across the board?
Well, the underlying principle of lean is waste elimination at any particular level of an organization, and even outside the context of manufacturing itself. Uh, and part of the value of industrial IoT technologies is that you don't necessarily have to track all kinds of information on pen and paper. You don't necessarily have to, you know, walk, from the office down to the factory or fly from halfway across the world to the plant that you're overseeing in order to get that transfer of information. And all of that is time that's lost when you have to do it. So that capacity that industrial IoT has to both get more data and have much faster uh, communication capability cuts out a lot of that waste that comes from every part of the process that has nothing that isn't about necessarily manufacturing like directly, right? Um, Within the context of manufacturing directly, of course, if you have something that's tracking the welding current around your welder and you detect that it's a little bit too high and you automatically shut it down, fantastic. You're cutting out $10,000 worth of scrap that you might have generated in the 10 minutes it takes for a human to catch that. Um, but even outside of that direct context, all of the communication that's required to make an organization work, if you can streamline all of that, I think that essentially is the principle of lean. And it's something that wasn't really available to us 20 years ago, and now it is.